Hello everyone, good morning. This is Professor P.A. Gule and today's my topic is concept of regulated market. Okay. Now we are going to see what exactly regulated market means. The definition of regulated market is a regulated market is one of which aims to eliminate the unhealthy and unsurpluses practices, reducing marketing charges and providing facilities to producer and sellers in the uh, facilities to produce sellers in the market. Okay, means regulated market are those market which is run under the certain rules, regulation and norms and directly supervision by the government, whether it may be a state government or whether it may be a central government. Okay. The basic philosophy of regulated market is elimination of malpractices in system of assignments of dominating power to the farmer of their representatives in functioning of market. Means the basic objective of regulated marketing is to prevent the exploitation of farmers which is done by certain individuals, certain bodies and certain uh, certain some different type of unions or bodies, merchants, etc. Then market area. Now we are going to see one by one the concept of regulated market area. It is the area which produce the naturally and abundantly flow of commercial center the market and which occur adequate business and income in the market committee. Now we are going to see principal assembling market. uh, it is the main market which is declared as a principal market yard. The basic transports and income generated for the market committee. Then market yard, this is a specified market yard. This is a specified portion of the market area where the sale of purchase, storage and processing of agriculture commodities are carried out. Then sub market yard are the principal assembling of market. This is a small market and does not generate sufficient income, so as declared as a principal assembling market. Now we are going to see objectives of market, regulated market. First and main objective is, as I said earlier, that is to reduce the exploitation of the farmer by overcoming the handicaps and the marketing of their product. Okay. Second is to make marketing system most effective and more efficient so that farmer may get better prices for their produce and the goods are made available to customer at reasonable prices. Third one is to provide incentive prices to farmer or inducing them to increase the production both qualitative manner and quantitative manner also, or qualitative term and quantitative terms, to means to provide the incentive price, hence they will purchase their inputs by this money and inducing them the and by this means they can increase the production of their produce in both terms, whether it may be qualitative, means improving the quality of product, and also improving the quantity of the product also. Then promote an ordinary marketing agriculture produce by improving the industrial facilities. Okay. uh, Industrial facility, for the improvement of industrial facilities also, it is also the objective of regulated market. Regulated market practices and attend the transparency in transaction also the objective of regulated market. There is no defaulter involved in regulated market because all the merchants and commission agents are by licensed by the government bodies. Hence they are allowed to doing trade in that marketplace aim to providing proper method of sale, correct weighing, prompt payment and various marketing related services. This is also the function of objective of regulated market. Now we are going to see organization and composition, how the organization exactly work in regulated market. Regulated market committee are established by constituting the representatives of grower, traders, local bodies, seller, cooperative shops and state government nominees. These are the different individuals which is involved as a members of APMCs or member of regulated market in the market committee. Okay, then producer are generally majority in this committees, means the majority of contribution in this committee they are producers. Okay, then establishment of market within the market area and provide the necessary facility to a person using it for an ordinary marketing of agriculture produce, and as it is directed by government from time to time. Such facilities may include competitive condition for the sale and purchase of agriculture commodity, storage facility, arrangement for weighment and prompt payment, provision of amenities in the market yard such as drinking water, rest houses, cattle sheds, car park, roads, roads covered, pakka platform, lighting and sanitary arrangement, etc. Now we are going to see organizational structure of regulated market, that is chairman, director, government nominees, farmer representative, trader representative and secretary. This is the organizational structure of regulated market, uh, or organization of regulated market. This is all from my side. Thank you for your kind watching. Thank you.